This changed everything. I'm about to break the laws of nature and trap a real rainbow in this bottle. Look at this, a perfect rainbow captured forever. But how did I do that? It all starts with understanding the secret of light itself. Most people think it's impossible, but I know better. First, we need the perfect foundation, sugar and water. But here's the secret most scientists don't know. When sugar dissolves, it changes the density of water. This creates invisible layers. Now for the real magic, 7 colors of the rainbow. Each one perfectly chosen. Red goes first. Look at that. It's staying separate. The density is working perfectly. Orange, yellow, green. Each layer building the rainbow. It's actually working. Blue and violet. The final colors. We did it! A perfect rainbow in a bottle! But wait, there's more. When light passes through, incredible! This is real science. Light bends differently through each layer, creating a rainbow. Isn't that amazing? And the best part? You can do this too. Try it at home and share your rainbow with the world. Subscribe to Wonder Labs for more colorful experiments. Goodbye, young scientists.
Wonder Labs, meet our scientific